The date ended very, very quickly because we had a big argument.
Hi mga Zoom! Sobrang init dito sa Australia ngayon. Yan. So tayo ay nakapaglinis na ng konti dito sa bahay. Nakapaglaba na, nakapag-dryer. Si King hindi pa masyadong nagtitiklop ng damit. Kasi kami ngayon guys ay pupunta sa Harbour Town. Magsusoli kami ng mga niregalo kay Andy na hindi nakasya sa kanya. Yay! Hindi kasya sa kanya yung regalo. Ayan, magsasocks muna ako. So, yung Harbour Town dito, guys, yun yung parang outlet. Outlet yan dito sa Adelaide. So, tayo ngayon ay naka-shorts at nakapang-workout gear lang dahil nga 29 degrees ngayon, mga Zoobs. Ayan. Oh, turn off the lights. Okay, so hindi namin natapos yung paglilinis. Kaya pasensya na kayo. At ang gulo-gulo ko sa camera. Okay, all the phones. Let's get it. Can you bring water, kuya? Water. Maraming water sa pot. Dalawa. Alam niyo kung bakit nakapang gym gear lang? Kasi yun yung pinaka-comfortable suotin kapag mainit dito sa Australia. Kaya yun. Shoot, hindi ba pala tapos yung ano ko? Naka-dishwasher ako ngayon guys. So yun yung maingay na naririnig ninyo. So hindi man lang tayo nakapag-ayos kasi guys. Andun na kasi ang aking mother-in-law. Nauna na siya. Yung buhok ko. So, ito ang ating get up today. Sila Mimi nauna na sa baba. Yung Port Adelaide cup, tsaka yung yellow, nilagyan ko yan ng water kanina. Yeah. Ooh, Gatorade. Oh, let's go na. Susi, wallet, bag. You ready? Yan, nakapag-sunscreen lang tayo. Kaya medyo maganda yung glass skin. Marirecommend ko yung binili ko sa Mecca na glass skin. Na sunblock kasi glass skin yung effect niya. Yan, no, kahit wala kang makeup. Glass skin. Let's go. Pupunta na sa kotse. Let's go.
Guys, just made it here to Harbour Town playground. Yeah. So while Mimi playground, we go shopping. Happy.
Zoobs, kami ngayon ay nasa bahay na at kami ulit ay paalis. Dahil, yes baby. Come on. Yes baby.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's beat mom to the
So, bale, kaya kami umuwi dahil kumain lang kami at saka kasi umulan. So, iniisip namin na baka matagal yung ulan kaya hindi muna kami nag-grocery. Ngayon, Hindi na umuulan. Actually, umambon lang. Pero, alam nyo yun, hindi nagtuloy. Pero buti na lang din kasi hirap naman umuulan dito, maputik. Yung mga bata hindi makakapag-park. So ngayon, since late night shopping, hindi pa sarado ang mall. Mag-grocery kami. Dahil marami na ang kulang. Nakapaglista naman ako. Kaya, ayun. So si King, iiwan na lang din namin dito sa bahay. Dahil ayaw niya sumama. King! We're leaving na! Clean na! Can you clean? Malinis naman, but just clean a little bit. Love you. Nasa toilet si King. Okay, I'm gonna go na to the car.
You set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire.
Mga zoobs! It's gym time. Alam nyo, ito ulit yung first time na mag-gym kami ni Andy nang magkasama. Ayan siya. Kasi si Jaja been working doubles dahil it's school break nila. So, sinasagad-sagad niya yung working hours niya dahil unlimited hours sila ngayon. Kaya, syempre, ayaw naman namin hadlangan yung pagkita niya, diba? Kasi, once na bumalik na ulit yung student hours, saka siya ulit pwedeng mag-babysit everyday. Hopefully. So, yun. Natapos na namin kanina yung grocery. Tapos namin yung Boxing Day. Naipalit ni Andy yung mga kailangan niyang palitan na shirt na niregalo sa kanya na hindi kasya. Tapos yun, nakapaglaro yung mga bata dun sa playground kanina. Kaya, very productive ang araw namin. Kaya ngayon naman, kaming dalawa ni Andy, mag-workout na.
Gonna give this joint a shot. I don't know, 100% clean though. I know guys, we're having a date by the beach. It's quite dark though, but this is the only well-lit spot right here. Apologies for the resolution. But yeah, you can see some, oh, you can see some lightning there in the, see if we can catch some. But we ordered some food. It's a little bit chilly pala, we thought it was a bit warmer. So we're just gonna be quick. We ordered some stuff from the gas station. You got a
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
Taco.
Yeah, I got a soft taco, chicken tender, mild. So yeah, we're just here. Beautiful spot. Thank you, Jaja, for letting us have an hour to ourselves. So yeah guys, the date ended very, very quickly because we had a big argument. Joke lang. It was actually really, really cold, but getting out of the car, it wasn't that cold. It's just that when you get down to the beach side, the wind is sort of gusting up onto the bench that we were sitting on. So, but the food we ate, where did we eat? It's called Guzman Y Gomez. And so if you haven't eaten there, they're at the OTRs. It's a Mexican themed restaurant.
Kakabukas na.
Yeah, and it's actually really good. I've seen them actually quite a few times because they have one on Anzac Highway, and then they have one that's sort of down south as well, but I've never actually eaten there. But the one that we went to is actually new. So yeah, I was actually pretty impressed. It was really quite good. And I wanted Subway, but yeah, this was
better.
Yeah, this was actually better, and it tasted more fresh. So yeah, pleasantly surprised. So we're just having a quick date here in the car while we finish our food, and then we'll be back home.
Ayan mga zoobs, nakita nyo naman. Nakita nyo naman ang kagandahan ko. Charot. anong oras na umaga na, 'di ba? Pero ayan, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na nag-enjoy kami doon sa aming 5-minute date. 5 minutes lang siya, pero yun naman, priceless na yun para sa amin na na-enjoy namin yung bawat moment na may peace and quiet and magsama kami together ni Andy. So anyway guys, looking forward na tayo for the new year. So sana kayo ay naghahanda na rin at alam niyo na, sasalubungin natin ang bagong taon ng may bang. Charis. Anyway, halika na, tapusin natin ang vlog for today at magkita-kita tayo ulit bukas. Bye mga subs!